I want to show you how you can make a set of flashcards words in Flashcards. So I'm going to go to my student Helen, click on that, and I've got one set of words here already called fruit. I'm going to create a new set. So create set. I'm going to make it about animals. So type in the word, hit the tick button, and the first animal I'm going to put in is a sea lion. There we go, sea lion. I'm going to add that, and I'm going to need to get a picture for the sea lion. So add picture, and I have got a picture on my computer already. You could get pictures off the internet. You could get pictures off a USB drive, straight off a camera. I've got some already loaded on my computer, so I'm going to get this one. And there is my sea lion. And if I had video, I could attach video and sound effect as well, but I'm just going to hit the tick button. Then I'm going to add another word. Let's add tortoise. Here we go. The plus button there to add it. I'm going to add a picture for it. And again, this is on my computer, or I could use any one of those ones as well. I'm going to use this one here. Here's the tortoise. Now I could crop that image. I think I'll crop it this time. So crop it. It's just the same as in StoryMaker if you've used StoryMaker. So you've got these handles. You can make them either smaller or larger depending on the screen size. That can be very useful to enable you to crop. Then hit the crop button. There's our tortoise. I'm happy with that. Push save. So now we have a tortoise. You can add more than one picture. So let's add another picture for tortoise. This time I'm going to add one of these other ones, which was in the database of pictures. That tortoise. Hit the tick button. So now we've got more than one picture. That can be very useful because we want students to generalize the words, and therefore if they have lots of different images for the same thing, it really helps them to be able to do that. I'll hit the tick button, and let's add one more. I'm going to add a skink. It's a bit of an unusual word. Let's add skink. Now this time it's telling us that skink is not in the database, and do we wish to add it? And the answer is yes, we do. Hit the tick button. It is a noun. So we select noun and then hit the yes button, and it brings up our recorder. Now, if you haven't seen this before, to record you just hit the red button and say the word, and then hit the blue button. So I'll do it for you. Skink. Hit the blue button. You can play your recording. Skink. Before you save it though, it's very important that you edit that sound and crop it so you don't have big gaps at the beginning or the end of your word when it's used in Flashcards or StoryMaker. Skink. So there we go, and then hit save. Now we're going to get a picture for the skink. And again, this one is in the file, and he's in here somewhere. Here he is. So we'll click on that, and there is our skink. Again, we could crop it. I think I will crop it. So crop it to get it the size you want. Hit the crop button, and then save. So we've got a skink picture. So I'm happy with that. Hit the tick button, and now you see we have 3 words in our set. We hit the tick button, and we have an animal set. And so that's how you make a set of words in Flashcards.